All right, guys, we're back with Dave and oh, I don't know who's who. Dave and Greg. I'm just going to assume that. All right, I'm gonna assume that Greg is red, Dave is black. Nope. Dave's all right. Dave's red. I'll lift you up here, ladies and gentlemen.
Dave, smash him.
Make him feel it. Oh my God. All right, how are you feeling from your big race? You're damn right, it was cool. All right, we got you with us. All right. Hey, here's some of the trucks. That's a nice truck. I like this. Other than it doesn't have real lights. Doesn't have a real light, but whatever.
Don't need them.
No real lights. Sticking with us?
They're going to the bathroom.
Alright.
They are.
Should we just wait here? And all they have to do is look for the guy with the Pokemon hat. They'll find us. Oh my God. Is that a Prius? No, that's a Frieza. Fiesta. Whatever that is. This place is really a spectacle, ladies and gentlemen. I'm glad to have my loved viewers here with me. Oh my God. What is
train?
What is yeah, that is the train. They do have a train going over this. Rave dance party. Oh my God.
Oh, that's the Raptor.
That's nice. You can wrap that up and give it to me as a birthday present. Oh my God. Oh, I love it. I love it. Love it first honk. We got some of the smaller cars. What are those? Oh, those spinny chairs. That's awesome. That'll wreck my breakfast though. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
And welcome to Ford Performance. This is where Ford is pairing inspiration on the track with innovation on the road to bring you guys the best performance vehicles ever. And I think we did. You all are pretty lucky because we're introducing our top 3 performance vehicles from our global lineup. We're going to talk about the Ford GT in a minute, and then we'll talk about our Shelby GT350R. But first, we have Tracy who's going to tell you all about that Raptor.
Thank you, Charlene. My name is Tracy, and folks, we're looking at the all-new 2017 F-150 Raptor. This 2017 Raptor has a high-strength steel frame made up of military-grade aluminum alloy, which makes this Raptor 500 pounds lighter. We also increased the width by 6 inches to provide enhanced stability while off-roading. Under the hood is the second generation 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine
Greg
that produces more power than its previous
Where's Greg?
2.2-liter V8. We paired that with the first ever 10-speed transmission. Around that
Greg.
is now a dual exhaust that'll give you more horsepower, more performance, and more torque. Ford didn't stop there, folks. They put in a 4-wheel drive transfer case with
there's
for
Greg.
normal driving, street
Sneaky little devil.
snow ice, mud and sand, Baja mode, and rock mode. Here's some other big news for you Raptor fans. Raptor is the only production vehicle to offer stock Fox racing shocks with even more suspension travel than the previous Raptor.
Oh my
The lights
God.
on this Raptor are now LED. LED headlights, tail lights, cargo lights, and spotlights.
This is nice.
Production next year.
Hopefully. Oh, look at it. Look at it. Sexy.
Together and give you a bird's eye view of your truck and everything around your truck. This will be
just want to touch it. Touch it all over.
This 2017 F-150 Raptor will be available the fall of 2016. We'll be looking forward to that, but for now, Jenna's going to tell you what makes that GT 350R special. Hey, that's right, thanks, Tracy. Now, over here on the Shelby GT 350R, we love the track capable Mustang.
Oh my God. We can't disturb it too much. Walk on it. I'm gonna remember this moment forever. Look at there is a car on its side. Let's go look at the sideways car. Oh, we should get in that. That's awesome. Oh my God.
This engine is going to contribute significantly to the vehicle's
Oh my God. Oh my God.
They're shedding 14 pounds of unstrung weight.
These are the cars you can get in. Well, not this one. Where'd Greg go? Oh, we lost Greg again. There's Greg. Where you want to go next? Yeah, we could go over here.
They're always there.
Oh, hello. Subaru. Giving you my my Korean version of words. Michelin. Hello. These are really shiny.
Oh, nice car.
Oh, very. I would want this in my room.
That's mixed with carpet.
Hey guys, look, they got chargers. Yes. That is some shit right there. Right there. Oh my God. Yeah, everything a white person could need. I'm gonna touch it.
You won't? You won't do it?
Touch the butt. Whoa. Hyundai. Alright, which way are we going? Depends which way. Unless you want to go back there where the Hyundai stuff is.
Find like the real high-end ones.
They don't have signs for high end. Everything here is supposed to be high end.
I want to find the hypercars, the supercars.
Oh my God. We'll get back to you when we see some new stuff.